Now I get it. To restore your home, you were looking for all the restoration companies around. And if you weren't, you trusted your insurance company to do that for you. So to ease your mind if you're still searching, I'm gonna give you a couple reasons why we're not like other restoration companies. First, we're an independent contractor, so we do not have ties with insurance companies. This is important. Now, of course, we work with some of the top major insurance companies, but we work with them, not for them. Our goal is to take care of the customer, you. Another thing is that other restoration companies look to simply just restore your home. Now, I know what you're thinking. That's what I'm paying them to do. But they lack flexibility. So great, you get your home back. But we like to take it a step further by giving you the opportunity to improve your home. And this opens up a flexibility that most restoration companies do not have. Around 75% of our clients utilize this opportunity to make changes to their home. This is a great way to make the most out of the restoration of your home by making sure your home becomes more perfect for you. If you have any questions about this, please give us a call, 951-303-1333.